This is my old portulaca plants, adding various types of fertilizer, but it doesn't flowering, so I think to repot or regrow the plants. Take a small tub. You can use shallow pot, covering the drainage hole. Adding normal soil. Adding kitchen worsted. If you don't have kitchen waste, then add any types of compost to 1:1 ratio, covered with soil. Removing the air pocket by hand pressure. Now separate the old plants. De-weeding the plants. Just pick the plants. If you want vibrant colors in portulaca flower, add onion peel water. Soak the onion peel in a container for 24 hours, strain the water and store in a bottle and use it. For these portulaca, I didn't use any other fertilizer except kitchen waste. Water the pots and keep them in shade for 3 days. After 3 days, transfer the pot full sunlight. After 15 days of repotting, so this plants need repotting. When your any doesn't flowering or not growing properly, you try to repot the plant. In this way, I save my portulaca plants and get more flowers.